Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Bafana Bafana superstar Relebohile Mofokeng has completed his transfer from Orlando Pirates to European club Union Saint-Gilloise in Belgium. The Belgian Pro League outfit officially unveiled the acquisition of the 21-year-old playmaker on Thursday, the 2nd of July 2026. Rile joins from the reigning Betway Premiership champions Orlando Pirates, and he has signed a 4-year contract with the European side after successfully passing his medical examination and finalizing personal terms. Mofokeng's rise to stardom has been amazing after earning promotion from Orlando Pirates' DStv Diski Challenge team to the senior squad in May 2023. The young star has grabbed the opportunity with both hands. He played an instrumental role in helping the Soweto Giants to clinch the league title for the first time in 14 years. His stellar domestic campaign saw him net 10 goals and 9 assists in 27 games, and he boasted 2 consecutive Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season and the 2024-25 MTN8 Last Man Standing, as well as the 2024-25 Nedbank Cup Most Promising Player of the. And his personal accolades may just increase, as he is a favorite to win the PSL Footballer of the Season as well as the Players Player of the Season in a domestic campaign in which the highly rated attacker won the Betway Premiership Player of the Month twice, as well as helping his team to win the treble. And here is a statement that Belgian club Royal Union Saint-Gilloise released when they announced the signing of Mofokeng. It says, Relebohile Mofokeng is Union's latest signing. The South African joins from Orlando Pirates and has signed a contract until mid-2030, with the club holding an option to extend it by a further year. The 21-year-old talent was in action at the FIFA World Cup in the United States, Canada, and Mexico last week with South Africa. He started 2 matches, including the knockout clash against Canada, featuring his future teammate Promise David. In addition to his performances for Bafana Bafana, Mofokeng has been a key player for Orlando Pirates for several years. Last season, he helped them to win the league title. That's the statement from Royal Union Saint-Gilloise. And Mofokeng, when he was speaking with the club's media department after putting pen to paper, here is what he said. I'm very happy to be here. It's a dream to play in Europe and to begin our Champions League qualifying campaign. The past year has been very special, with the league title, my first FIFA World Cup with South Africa, and now this important step in my career. I hope to continue developing as a player here. Together with the team, we'll do everything we can to compete for trophies. That's Relebohile Mofokeng's statement. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Relebohile Mofokeng's move to Royal Union Saint-Gilloise? Are you impressed with this move by Mofokeng to move to Royal Union Saint-Gilloise? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news. See you next time.